our exciting podcast celebrating the incredible talents of our young innovators. Today, we're going to take you through the amazing world of creativity, imagination, and learning through our recent show and tell competition. We've got some truly amazing students here who are going to share their incredible journeys, projects, and insights. And today we have with us Vihaan and the creator of the Motion Detector Door. Vihaan, could you please introduce yourself with your name, age, favorite subject, and hobbies?
Hello, my name is Vihaan and I am 10 years old. My favorite subject is history and my hobby is coding.
My favorite subject is history too. What makes you like it so much?
I like all my subjects equally, so I just chose a random one.
That's real. So tell me about your project. It's a motion detected door, right?
Yeah. So my sister kept on getting into my room so much that I decided to make a door lock system that if you wave your hand in a specific pattern in front of 3 ultrasonic distance sensors, it will trigger a servo motor in order to open the door to allow you in, and no one else will know the pattern, so only you can go in.
Oh, that's so cool. I would ask you to show me, but that's a secret that only you can know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So was it because your sister was breaking into your room all the time and opening doors without
Yeah, like one
permission?
time I had like a few high shoes and I went for an extracurricular class, and when I came home I found all of them gone for some
Sometimes
reason.
Sometimes I wish I could do that with my little brother. He keeps stealing my candy. So, how did you create the project? What elements did you use?
So I got 3 ultrasonic distance sensors and I needed a door and an Arduino and a servo motor, and I also used some jumper wires.
Was there any component that was especially helpful?
The Arduino, because I needed to put the code in there.
And who helped you make the project? It sounds pretty complicated.
My teacher.
Oh, okay. And they taught you how to do everything, the Moonpreneur teacher?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Did you know anything about coding before?
Yeah, I just know like a little bit.
But they helped you with the circuiting and learning how all of the pieces worked? Okay, cool. Did you face any challenges while making the project?
The jumper wires kept on poking me a lot.
Oh,
About
yeah.
the-
They always get
Uh,
tangled up whenever I try to use them.
And also like most of my jumper wires, the tips are like broken off.
Oh no, how did you
Oh.
fix that?
I just got new ones, and before my tier 1 started, I had a tier 0, and I just grabbed a few jumper wires from that kit.
Okay, were the kits helpful in your learning
Yeah.
experience? Okay, perfect. Did you use the embedded learners kit?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I think that one's pretty helpful. How did working on this project enhance your skills?
It taught me that if something doesn't go right, I have to persevere so that it works and I can find a solution.
Yeah, and when the going gets tough, you have to kind of keep pushing through, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what skills did you learn? Do you feel like you got better at anything working on this project?
I feel like I got better at like everything related to the project, like coding and everything.
Was the project really hard from the beginning? Like when you sat down to start doing
Yeah,
it, like this is too much to deal with?
But it wasn't as hard as I thought when I put my mind to it.
Okay, that's good. And I know you already talked about what tools and materials you used, but before coming to Moonpreneur, did you know how to use any of those?
Not at all. Like, not any.
Oh my God. So to go from that, and then you made this whole motion detected door, that's really cool. And what advice would you give to your tier group and friends, peers that are looking up to you?
Instead of just thinking about a problem, they need to think of a solution to the problem.
Yeah, and like you actually you can't just see problems, you have to find solutions, right? And are your parents around? We have a question for them too.
Uh, yes, I can. I'm Vihaan's dad,
Hello.
and
What is, did you play a role or contribute to your child's project? And how do you feel about this whole journey?
I let me answer the first question. So, honestly, my contribution would have been less than 1%. I believe in kids grasping things on their own, and only when they seek out for help explicitly, I just go and help him. And in this case, he did not seek out anything. Literally, I didn't know that he was doing this project
Until it was
till
completed?
I got, yeah, yeah. So I
Wow.
think I'd give all credits to him and the learning system and the teacher.
And how do you feel about the project and the whole
I
process?
feel I feel great. I feel great. I think as part of this, one is learning about the tech part of it, how to solve it, and how do you have a lot of these skills under your armor that you can use to solve any problems in real world. Second thing is he learned a lot of tenacity and perseverance, which are like at this age. I think it's important for
Yeah,
kids
he's
to
very
know.
young. That's amazing that he was able to do all of this.
Yep,
But yeah, so if you could call Vihan back.
yep. I'll let him know.
Thank
Vihan.
you so much. Yeah. Hi, Vihan. So
Oh,
thank you so much for telling us all about your amazing project. I'm sure lots of siblings out there are going to want a motion detected door so that they can stop their other sibling from breaking in all the time.
yeah.
And this was really amazing. I'm really glad you had a great time, and thank you so much for coming.
Thanks for inviting me.